Nay, tibi-tibi. Gamay ra.
Pia.
Gamay ra.
Pia! Ilayin na ng TV gamay.
Hello, Luke.
Teacher.
Hello. Good evening. Good evening.
Good evening, teacher.
Can you hear me clearly? Can
Yes.
you see me clearly? Can you see me?
Yes.
Yes, very good. How are you? Huh? How are you?
I'm happy and you.
You're happy. Yes, I am also happy like you. Okay. What did you do today? Can you tell me what you did today? What did you do?
I
What did you do?
no.
I study, I eat, I sleep. What did you do? Hmm? I?
Good girl.
I what?
I write. Okay, you write. What else? What else did you do? I
I
write.
sleep.
I sleep. What else?
I watch TV.
I watch the TV. Okay. How about did you read your book? Did you read? Huh? You read? Yes or no? Yes? You read? Oh, very good. So you have to read in order for you to get information so that you'll become smarter. You have to do it, okay? You have to study every day. Just read for a while and that's okay. Okay? You have to read, you have to write. Okay, because I want you to study or I want you to learn to become smarter. I know you are smart, Luke, so I want you to be more smart. All right, here we go. So last Monday, we had our lesson about the days of the week, right? Monday, our lesson is about days of the week, right? You still remember? You remember it? Yes or no? The days of the week. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. So how many, listen to teacher, how many days we have in 1 week? How many days?
7.
7. All right. Now, what are the days of the week? What are the days of the week?
Monday,
Day,
Tuesday,
Tuesday.
Friday,
Okay, Friday. What else?
Saturday,
Saturday. What else?
Wednesday,
Wednesday. What else? Come on.
Saturday,
Oh, that's Saturday. What else?
Sunday.
Sunday. So the first we have there is the Monday. Look at the, listen, this is the correct sequence, ha? This is the correct sequence. A while ago, you arrange it. You disarrange the days. So the first we have Monday. Next, Tuesday. Next is Wednesday, like that. Next is Thursday. Okay, Thursday. What's next to Thursday? What's next to Thursday?
Saturday,
Saturday? No, it starts with F.
Friday,
Friday. Next to Friday is? Look at teacher.
Saturday,
Saturday. And the last? What is it? What's the last day of the
Sunday,
week? Monday. very good. So, what are the days that you go to school? How about the days you go to school? What are the days that you go to school? Monday,
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday,
Oh.
Saturday.
you go to school at Saturday? 5 days only. From Monday until Friday. Okay, you go to school Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Because Saturday and Sunday, you just stay in the house. Look, Saturday and Sunday, just stay in the house. Okay?
Okay.
All right. So that was our lesson last Monday. So now we are now at lesson. What lesson are we? Lesson?
Lesson.
What number is this? What number? 2 and 0. How to read 2 and 0? It's 20.1. Okay, what lesson are we now? Lesson 20, not 23.
20.1.
Okay, we are now at lesson 20.1 and it is about, what is it all about? Month,
Month of the
year.
year.
Okay, so last Monday, we talked about days of the week. Now, we are talking or we will be talking about the months of the year. So, again, there are 7 days in 1 week. How about months? Do you know how many months do we have? How many months do we have? Yes, no? Do you know? Yes or no, teacher? I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know. Okay. So we have, look at teacher, 12. How many months do we have in 1 year? 12. Okay. Now let's start to talk about the months of the year. So before we will start, I have here your favorite part of this one. It's about video. Okay, I will let you watch the video about our topic of today. So if you know the song or if you know this, just follow it. Okay, if you know the song. All right, here we go.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Okay, look, that was an example of days, or not days, of months of the year. So, do you know what are the months of the year? Do you know? Huh? Do you know the months of the year? Yes or no? Huh?
I don't know.
Oh, no. So here we go. So we are here to learn about the months of the year. So here, I have here a vocabulary.
January.
What is the first month of the year?
January.
January. Again. Again?
January.
Okay, January.
February.
What's the second one?
February.
February. Next.
March.
What's this one? March.
March.
Okay. Next.
April.
This one. What is this?
April.
April.
May.
What's this one?
May.
May. This one.
June.
What is this? June. Okay, June. Okay. So again, we have here January. What is this again? How you say it? January. Again.
January.
February.
February.
March. Okay, March.
March.
April.
April.
May.
May.
June.
June.
Okay, so we will be talking only now 6 months of the year. 6. The other 6 will be later or on Friday, okay? Only 6 for today. But again, we have 12 days in a week. But for now, you will learn about the 6 months of the year. We have here January, February, March, April, May, and June. Okay? Look at this one. Structure. Okay. What month is it? This one. What month is it? It's, please read.
It's October.
October. Okay. What month is it? Is it? You say, it's October. How about now? Look. Now, what month of the year is now? It is or it's February. Again, what's the month of the year now? Now. It's February. What's the answer? It's, hello teacher, it's February.
January.
Okay, February, the second month of the year. The first is the January. Second is February. We are now at February. Okay, what are we now? We are now at February. February. Again.
February.
Okay, so if someone will ask you what month of the year now, you will say it's February. Okay?
February.
Oh, very good. Please don't forget. Okay, now here we go. I have here missing letters of the month of the year. So you are going to tell me what are the missing letters of the month. Look at this one. This is January. January. What are the 2 letters that is missing in here? It's not here. J and letter
A.
A. Okay. It says here 3, but the correct is only 2. Okay? 2. How about this one? February. 3 missing letters. What are the 3 missing letters of February? February. What are the missing letters? What are the missing letters here? February. Worry.
War.
Letter. You know?
Q.
Q, not Q. It's letter. Do you know this one? Yes or no? Just tell teacher. You know this? February.
Không có bật mũi tắt đi.
February. What are the three missing letters of February?
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay, teacher will help you. So next to letter U is letter A. Next is letter I. Next is letter Y. February. February. Next, this one is March. What are the two? Ma. And letter
Oh.
March.
A.
Okay, very good. March. How about this one? April. April. Okay, look. April. What's next to letter A? What do you think?
R.
Ape. What letter is that? What letter is that? Ape. What letter? What letter? P. Ape. What letter is that? Letter? Ape. Oh, letter P that's letter P. April. Real. Okay, what's next? R. Okay, that's how you spell April. Next, how about this one? June. June.
G.
J. Next. June. June. What's next to letter J? I. It's June. June. Come on. You. Very good. How about this one? It's May. May. Letter?
E.
Not E. May. May. Letter?
A.
A. And letter? May. Y. Okay, now let's try to check. Okay, JN. This one. UARY. March. MA. April. JU. And May. A and Y. Look at this one. Look at this one. January. It's not double N. It's only one N in January. Now, what are the letters of the word January? What are the letters? Look. J. How do you spell January? J.
J. A. N.
One. U. What's this?
O. A. R. Y.
Okay. JANUARY. How about February? February. What are the letters of the word February? Go. F. What are the letters spelling? F.
F. E. B. R. U. A. R. I.
It's not I, it's Y. Okay. February. So what are the letters of the word March? March. What are the letters? Spelling. Come on, look. M.
March.
Okay, what are the letters of the word March?
M-A-R-C-H.
Okay, March. Next, April. What are the letters of the word April?
April.
Okay, next to April is not June. Next to April is May.
June.
Listen, look. This one is changed. April, next to April is May. After May, June. So, April, May, June. What is the spelling of the word May? Spelling of the word May, look.
Why?
Why? How about how do you spell the word June? How do you spell the word June?
June.
Okay, so now those are the 6. Listen, those are the 6 months of the year: January, February, March, April, May, June. Again, do it for me. Come on, look, do like this: January, February, March, April, May, June. Come on, your turn. Come on, go, say it. What are the months of the year? Look.
January.
January. Again. January. This one. February. February.
February.
This one.
April.
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 May.
May.
June.
June.
Okay, make it fast. January, February, go.
January. February. March.
April. Again.
April.
May.
May.
June.
June.
Okay, very good. Again. Make it fast. January, go.
January. February. March. April. May. June.
Very good. So those are only the 6, okay? January, February, March, April, May, June. All right, this one. Look, listen, and say June. Again. What's this?
June.
February.
February.
This one, what is this? It starts with M. The third one. The third. What's this?
I don't know.
March.
March.
This one, it starts with A. Number 4.
April.
April. 5th, May.
May.
And this one, January. Again?
January.
Okay. So, again, please read. Look, please read. Go. What's this? Please read, look. Come on, I want you to familiarize this one. Go. June.
Thấy gì đây không?
Come on. June. Look, please read. June.
June.
This one. What's this? What's this? March. Again. Look at this one. March. February. Sorry. June. February. Again.
June. February.
This one. How to read this?
March.
March. This one.
April.
April. This one.
May.
This one.
January.
January. Again.
January.
Okay, very good. January, February. Again.
January, February.
Very good. Please don't forget. Okay, fourth. What is the fourth day, or no, fourth month of the year? Number 4. April or March? What's the answer, Luke? Number 4. What is the fourth month of the year? April or March?
April.
Okay, let's try April. Very good. Yay! Next, this one. What is this one first? This one. What is the 6th month of the year? June or May? Number 6. 6th month of the year. June or May? 6th.
June.
June, let me check. Oh, sorry, it's here. Okay, the second month is February. How about number 3? This one. The third month of the year. January or March? Number 3. Third month of the year. January or March? This one.
March.
March. Very good. March. Okay. Here, you said June. Come on, let's check if it's June. Look at this one. Your answer here is June. Let's try. Very good. It's June. Next. How about this one, Luke? 5th. The 5th month of the year. April or May? 5th.
April.
What is the 5th month of the year? April or May?
April.
April. Let me check if it's April.
May.
Hi, May. Yeah, it's May. Okay. How about the last one? What is the first month of the year? First.
January.
Okay, let me check.
January.
Okay. Very good. Very good. Look at that. Oh, you got correct answer. Great job. Keep it up. Please don't forget it. Okay, now here we go. Oh, let's make a choice. I know you like this kind of activity, making choices. Here we go. Okay. This one, January. 1, 2, 3, or 4. What's the answer? Where is the January?
Two.
Let me check if it's 2.
Two.
Oh, very good. Number 2. Next, this one. What month of the year is this? 1, 2, 3, or 4? What month of the year? 1, 2, 3, or 4? What number? What's the answer, Luke? 1, 2, 3, or 4? Come on. Look at that.
Number 1.
Number 1, let me check. Okay, great job. Very good, Luke. Very good. How about this one? What month of the year is this? 1, 2, 3, or 4? Ma'am. Okay. 1, 2, 3, or 4? this? What is the missing letter? 1, 2, 3, or 4? Look at that. What do you think is
2.
2? Oh, Ma, let me check. Very good. It's number 2. All right, here we go. How about this one? What month of the year is this? What month of the year? What month of the year? 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at teacher. 1, 2, 3, or 4?
Yeah. 3.
3. Small letter M?
No.
No. 4. Let me check. Very good. It's number 4. Next, how about this one? What are the missing letters of this? 1, 2, 3, or 4? What are the missing letters? Number.
No. 2.
2. Capital A-R-Y. Capital letter.
No.
What's the answer? What's the
1.
answer? 1. Come on, let me check if it's 1. Oh, very good. Number 1. How about this one? Very easy. What is the correct answer in here? 1, 2, 3, or 4? Okay, your answer is number 4. Let me check if it's number 4. All right. Great job. Okay, here we go. Okay, what's the first? This one? What's this? What's this? How do you read this? How do you read this one? Huh? What is this? January. That's the first one, January. Second, what's third? What's the third one? Third. This is
March.
March. How about the fourth? What's the fourth one?
April.
Not April. It's not April. It's April. Okay?
April.
Okay, next. The fifth one. What is the fifth month of the year?
May.
May. And how about the sixth month of the year? Sixth.
June.
June. And, why is it January? Okay, sorry. January is, not January. February is color white. Okay, I'm gonna write it here so that you can see. Okay, since it is white, it's not visible. February. Okay, look at that. Look at here. What is? Listen ha. I will ask you questions and you're going to tell me what month of the year is that, okay?
Right.
Look at here, look. Now, what is the third month of the year? Third. Look at the screen. What is the third month of the year? Third. Huh? What's the third month of the year? Third month of the year.
April.
Third? Number 3?
No, March.
March. How about the fifth month of the year? Fifth.
April.
Fifth. Fifth.
May.
May. What is the second month of the year? Second. Look at my hand.
First. 1.
Okay, February. What is the first month of the year? First. Come on, look at the screen. The answers are found there. First month of the year.
Con nó sao nó
First.
Jan
Jan. January. Say it.
January.
Okay. What is the sixth month of the year? Sixth.
June.
June. What is the first month of the year?
January.
Very good. The third month of the year. Third. Third. Look at the screen. Make it fast. Third month of the year?
March.
March. Very good. Second.
February.
Huh? What's the second one?
February.
Okay. Fifth. What is the fifth?
May.
May. Sixth. Sixth.
June.
June. Fourth. Fourth.
April.
Oh, April. Third.
March.
Okay, very good. So again, what are the months of the year? Say it. January, February, March, April, May, June. You get it? Okay, say it again. January, go. Say it properly. January. Look.
January.
Next.
February.
Next.
March.
This one.
April.
This one. This one.
May.
This one.
June.
Oh, how do you say this one? How do you say this?
February.
February. February. Say it. February. February. Okay. Again.
February.
This one. This one. This one. This one, look. What is this?
January.
This one.
February.
Okay, you say, can you say February 5 times? February, 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 February. Go, your turn. Come on, say February.
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 Again.
February.
Again.
February.
Again.
February.
Not, listen to me. Look at teacher. Not fed. Not fed. Feb. Feb. Again. Oh.
February.
February. Feb.
Feb.
Oh. February. Come on, almost. Okay. Okay. We will practice that more. Listen, look. We will keep on practicing that so that you're gonna master that one. Next. Okay, listen. Look at teacher. Before I will say goodbye, I will not say goodbye first. Listen, look at me. I won't say goodbye. So now, what are the months of the year that we talked today? What are they? What are the months that you know?
January.
Next.
February.
Very good. Next.
March.
Very good. Next.
April.
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 Very good. Next.
April. May.
May. Next.
June.
June. Okay, very good. January, February, March, April, May, June. Now, I will ask you, listen, what is the 5th month of the year? 5th. Yeah, what is the 5th month of the year?
May.
May. Great. What is the 2nd month of the year?
Family.
Feb.
February.
Very good.
February.
What is the 6th month of the year? 6th.
June.
June. What is the 4th month of the year? 4th.
April.
Oh, great job. What is the 3rd month of the year? 3rd.
March.
March. What is the 1st month of the year? Again? Yes, again, that's correct. Louder. What is the 1st month of the year?
January.
Very good. January. Again. January.
Sai cô mẹ yếu
January.
January.
Very good. See, you did great. So, again, in order, look, last question. Look at me.
Nhìn cô kìa. Có người bật điện.
Okay, look at teacher. Okay, so this will be the last task that I will give you. So what are again the 6th month of the year? What's the first one? What's the first month? What's the first month?
January.
Again, what is that? January. Jan.
January.
Okay. Jan.
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 Okay, January.
January.
January. Say it. January. Go.
January.
January. Go.
January.
Very good. Second. What's the second one?
Feb.
Okay, Feb. Oh.
February.
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 Not Fed. February.
February.
Okay, February. Next, third.
March.
March. Fourth. What's the fourth one? Fourth. What's the fourth?
April.
April. Not April. April. Okay?
April.
Next. What's next to April?
May.
Next.
June.
June. Okay. How about look at teacher. Can you say the word January 5 times? 5 January, 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 January.
January.
Next,
January.
next,
January. January.
next,
January.
next.
January.
Very good. How about the February? February, February. Go.
February. February.
Not Fed. Look at the chart. Not Fed. Feb. Feb.
Feb.
Ah.
February.
Feb. Feb.
Feb.
Go.
Feb.
Feb. Not Feb. Feb. Feb.
Feb.
Ah.
February.
Next. February. Go.
Feb.
Feb. Feb.
Feb.
Okay.
February.
February. Okay, another one.
February.
Last one.
February.
Okay.
February.
Okay. So that would be all for today. So listen, next meeting on Friday, we will still, listen to teacher, we will still practice to say the word January and February for you to be familiar and for you to be correct in saying those months. Very good. It's okay, it's okay. I know you feel it hard, but I can see that you are trying, and which is very good. You want to learn. So I like it. So that would be all for today, Luke. I will see you on Friday. We will review on Friday, ha? Look, we will review on Friday, okay? Okay? Okay,
Okay.
goodbye.
Bye. Tức là ok á. Ủa.
Bye bye.
Bye. Đấy không kịp.